Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually going to be doing a transformation video. I haven't done one of these in a while, so I've done our basement closet, I've done our linen closet, my office, so now we are in my bathroom to do our bathroom closet. I have some things in place as far as bins and whatnot, but over time things just get overcrowded. So today I'm going to go through things and get rid of stuff and hopefully get it to a place where it's organized, because I'm kind of in a organization kick here. I went through all of my clothes the other day and put some for Goodwill that I don't wear anymore, as well as folding everything nicely. If you haven't seen Marie Kondo on Netflix, you should check it out just to see some things that spark joy for you, and if they don't, then to get rid of them. So I will show you the before of this closet. Here is the current state of our bathroom closet. So I have some bins that I bought at the dollar store a couple years ago. Have this drawer that I had organized, but obviously, I mean, there's stuff in here that I don't even use. I mean, does anyone else have like a bunch of toothbrushes and toothpaste from their dentist over the years? So this is just kind of the start of everything, but I'm hoping I can get rid of a bunch of stuff and then put them into each of the bins that I have here. Okay, it's all done. I spared you the whole entire process that took me several hours to go through everything, get things sorted, put away. I actually used our daughter's cabinets under their sink. Didn't have a whole lot of things under there, so that way I can keep all of like my extras that I don't need cluttering up our closet, because it's not that big. But I am happy with how it turned out to kind of get things organized, so it's not like digging around trying to find what I need to get ready in the morning. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. Here is the reveal. So much better. Up there I have all of my Young Living bath and shower stuff that I need, shampoos and whatnot. I went through this cabinet, or these drawers I should say, and got rid of a lot of toothpaste and floss and things like that we weren't using. I do have those brown boxes are actually bamboo toothbrushes that I found when I was going through all of this. So those will be replacing all of our plastic toothbrushes when the time comes. So I got adult size and a kid size. So got rid of a bunch of makeup, and then I'm pretty excited about this because I was able to actually put my Savvy Minerals makeup in here, so that way it's easy easily accessible because it was in my makeup bag over there, and it's just kind of annoying to dig around to find what I need in the morning. So that way now everything for the most part is here. You can tell what shades of lip gloss that I like, but to have all of my kind of toiletries and whatnot, and then the very few things of my husband's. He has another drawer that he keeps most of his bathroom things in. And then down here, cleaning supplies, feminine stuff, and contacts. And through all of this process, I actually organized and cleaned out my drawer in our bathroom sink cabinet. So I will show you that next. Here's my drawer now. So much better. I will put a before picture on here so that you can see what it looked like before. I'll probably move some things around. I did have my makeup thing in here, but I couldn't really see everything too well, so I moved it to the closet. But it's nice to every once in a while go through my stuff and get things organized, because I feel when things are organized, I'm not stressed or just frustrated with all the clutter. So now everything has its place again. And there you have it. That is my transformation of our bathroom closet and my bathroom drawer. I hope this was helpful to kind of see a little bit of the process and how to stay organized, and buying the bins at the dollar store or Target. It's a fairly inexpensive way to categorize things. That way you know exactly what's in there. My label maker is still out of paper, so I will probably be going to get some more of that, so that way I can label all of the bins and know exactly what is in there. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. I do have a few more ideas for transformation videos through our house. So if you like those kinds of videos, I will actually link some of my previous transformation videos that you can check out if you'd like to do that, to get some ideas for other rooms to organize. But comment below what's your favorite thing you saw as far as organizing, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. I'll see you next time.